Welcome to our comprehensive guide on locating your Outlook data files. Whether you're migrating to a new system, troubleshooting issues, or simply curious about where your PST and OST files are stored, this video has got you covered. For this, first of all, log in to your Outlook account. Next, tab on File. Then under Info, click on Account Settings. You will get the drop-down. There, click on Account Settings. Then navigate to Data Files tab as shown here. Here you will get your OST and PST file location. Then click on each data file and then click on Open File Location. This will give you actual file location of those files. You can do the same for other files as well and follow identical steps for them too. You might find OST and PST file. These are two main files maintained by Outlook. PST files are used for local storage and backup of Outlook data, while OST files are used for offline access to Outlook data in conjunction with an Exchange server. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.